Yes, sir.
Yes. I think everybody you understood about GPA and agreement. Agreement I will provide next because agreement so many questions are available for you, and will is concerned. Will defines under Indian Succession Act. Privileged will, unprivileged will. There are two wills, two types of will are available. Under Section 68, the Chapter 6 of Indian Succession Act deals with the will is concerned. The will, one first point you must know, verify that who has executed the will, he must be a owner. He cannot execute any other property involving the ancestral or joint family property. Automatically, the will is not available. But one presumption is available under the will. If will he has executed by distributing the property, consenting made by the children or his wife or anybody else, means that is also recognizable will, and it is admissible in law. If he is providing, because tomorrow the dispute should not be. One example I am providing. One house is there. He cannot distribute the house to anybody else. Therefore, he wants to divide his properties like movable or immovable property. First son, he has to take the gold article. Second son, he has to take silver articles. Third son is who is looking after me, and he has to do all the obsequies after my death. Therefore, he property has been given to him. The reasoning, if he has mentioned in the will, so automatically it is recognizable. But self-acquired property, always he is eligible to execute. So terms and condition is sound mind. After 18 years, everything the available in the law. So this will is under the provision of law, Hindu, it can be registered, it cannot be registered. Two witnesses must be there. Two witnesses of the age of person and made known to him because he has signed before them. That's all. The witnesses who are signing the paper under the will, they need not go into the what are the property going to give to whom, or to which son he is going to give. No, need not be read the will, subject matter of the will. But witnesses, what they have to look into, in front of us, he has signed the will, therefore we are the witnesses. Only that much they have to say. So he was in sound mind, therefore we have got it signed. Another unprivileged will, I think you made known to you, and you might have read over in your colleges. Unprivileged will, those who are rendering the service in military, if he is dying at the time of, because he is having some uh, injuries in head or somebody, he is disclosing before his superior, sir, whatever property I am having and whatever money I am having, it should go to my son, it should go to my mother. This is unprivileged will is always prevailable because he made to be recorded while dying. One proverb is there. While any person dying, the ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು, ಸತ್ಯವು ಸಾಯ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೃತ್ಯ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಂತೆ ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ಯನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನಂತ ಅವನು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅನ್ಪ್ರಿವಿಲೇಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟು ದ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮನ್, those who are in military. That is called unprivileged will. Anything he has given instruction to his superior while dying, that is unprivileged will. It has to recorded by him because in front of me he has told all his properties goes to children or as per his direction. So that will is also available for getting right of the deceased ex-serviceman. And in this case is concerned, which are the property you have to take probate, means right of the documents. After death only all the wills are operating. On the death of will, death of person, the will wants to operate. So how you want to get? I being a son, I do not know whether my father has bequeathed the property in my favor or not. So somebody must know that because in front of him he has not executed any will. He must get the authenticated information with whom this will is available. Because tomorrow disputes start between the brothers. So will has been executed. If one person made to known by the somebody else, and he knows that will is with him. But always, if now will is two types, you have to deposit before the deputy commissioner. You have to deposit the will while bequeathing the property in favor of all the children. That is under the provision of Registration Act. You have to deposit the will before the deputy commissioner. Deputy commissioner always custodian of the will, and when after death of him made known to the deputy registrar or the in office, immediately he has to call all the beneficiaries under the will by issuing notice, and that so and so person is bequeathed the property in accordance with law, and this is the original will is available with me. That notice shall be sent. And some person, what they are doing, believing their best friend, see brother, I am executed this will, kindly maybe operate this will and effect the division of the property to my children. So this is note down for you, and I am handing over under the belief. So that person caused the notice to all the children, and also this is the will executed by your father. If any dispute arose, you go before the court, because somebody is going to deny how it has been handed over to you. Who are you? All the question arose after death only. So therefore, if you want to go before, I am having original will, whom I am issuing notice to you, who wants to take the property in accordance with will, if you want to take. Otherwise, will is with me only. Whenever you are going to call, I am coming before the court. Likewise, the depositor holders, he can say. And one must be known to you. Hindu is going to execute the bequeathing the property. It is not available for Muslim. If bequeathing the property, Hindu, in respect of agricultural land, even one gunta, if he has executed under the will, he shall go before the court for getting probate. Probate means declaration. This will has been executed, my father. So therefore, I want probate in respect of property. I am ready to pay the court fee. That fee is liable to pay before the court while proving the will as well as getting the probate. Will is not going to be returned while issuing the probate by the court. And especially this power under the Indian Succession Act, it has been given. 2 witnesses, he shall be proved. And if a recent judgment is available saying that the draftsman is not a witness. Please see, every advocate going to be draft. Every the license holder, drafting license holders are available under the Registration Act. They are only a draftsman, but they are not a witness about the document is concerned. He may say so, I have drafted under instruction of so and so, so I know that, but I cannot say that I am a witness to the signature, because you see, one person is coming, sir, please draft the will. These are the document available. So I am signing as a draftsman, that's all. But I do not know whether they are going to get signature of bequeathing person or not. I do not know. So therefore, the court decided the issue, recognize draftsman is not a proper witness to the document, but 2 person must be document. Among the 2 person, while getting the probate, 1 person should examine before the court, yes, myself and so person available at the time. If they are both witnesses died, sir, how should we are going to? Yes, you have to bring their children, cause the notice through the court and saying that, calling them to examine them, ascertain them. This is the signature of your father. What you say? Yes, this is the signature of father. And this signature, I do not know, sir. He can say so, another witness. If one witness you have to prove, relating to the witness means it must be relating to agriculture, you must go before the court. Relating to immovable other properties, probate need not be required. Based on the will, if it is undisputed among the brothers to whom allotted or to whom bequeath the property, if the dispute is not arose among them, they have to get the khata in their name based on the will, and they should get the consent of each other. Yes, we are accepting the will, whatever bequest has been made. Recently, what happened in one case, I want to tell you, because such type of dispute going to be you are going to face while you are practicing. One case recently, I have dealt the matter. Several properties are having by him. 10 properties has been delivered by way of gift deed to other children. Till his lifetime, he has retained one valuable property which is situated at Jayanagar, retained by him. He died. And that property continuously enjoyed by the person, one person who continuously enjoyed. After death of him, other sisters and brothers, whether having right or not, even though all the person who are his legal age, they got the property under the gift deed. But still, whether they are having right or not, yes, they are having right in respect of property which is not involved. Any testamentary document means gift, sale, or anything. When testamentary document is not available, automatically whatever property retained by him without executing, without bequeathing, without documentary evidence, automatically that property is having right of inheritance. The one person who has got the property inheritance means Mommaga. He has filed a suit before the court against him. My mother having no doubt, my mother having a gift of the property. It is his self-acquired property. During his lifetime, he has bequeathed he has executed the gift deed. Gift deed means it shall be registered under section 123 of Transfer of Property Act. It shall be. It is a mandatory. If it is not registered, Arshana Kunkumaga anti nodi. Arshana Kunkuma kottadu gift to, it is not recognizable. But it is recognizable while partition made among the family members if the property is left out, because this property already delivered by father under Arshana Kunkuma in favor of the daughter, therefore this property is not included. That means matter is end. So that is recognizable. That is nothing but it is arrangement. It is acceptance made by her. Therefore, this property is not included under partition. If registered partition is not included, automatically it is once again, it is blending into the common stock. So therefore, will being a person executed on his own, he must be a sound mind, all the ingredients. He should not have a coercion or threat. Somebody has made threat to him and it has been executed. Likewise, it is fourth. And one word is available under the will, suspicious circumstances. This will has to prove whether is there any suspicious circumstances. If it is not there, automatically it is valid document, valid will. So therefore, while drafting, you must be aware whether he must be owner or not, whether it is a self-acquired property or not. If you have included joint and ancestor property, it is questionable document. Automatically, he cannot execute the will in respect of inheritance. And if he has divided relating to the ancestor property equally, automatically it need not be questioned. It is also, I am saying that ancestor property, one dispute is available for the parties, those who are having right over. Puro kavane kottidare, nanu dakshinakke kottidare, nanu dakshinakke beda, nanu purokke beku. So that type of question is also available, even though the equal partition is available under the will. That is particular point is available. The court can decide whether he is eligible on southern side, whether he is eligible on northern side. All these facts, it can be established. But equal right, if he has given, by the ancestral property among future dispute, to avoid future dispute, because houses are, one valuable house is there, one unvaluable house is there, definitely some dispute can be started. So therefore, ancestral property cannot be involved in the will, but always two witnesses must be, two witnesses who are there. You must think over that. Small boy, you should not take him before him, because he never seen his signature, none of the during his lifetime, but only for the purpose of will. If you have taken, if the person who has bequeathed the property at the age of 60, and some 18% or 20%, 20 years boy, if you have taken to the sub-register office and got the signature, so likewise it should not be happened. So he must made known to him, this is the signature, find on the document, known by the persons who are signed before him. So likewise, such person is available, to witnesses, and all these facts relating to Indian Succession Act, it is covered, suspicious circumstances, and all these rights and liabilities available under the law. So therefore, will is concerned, you keep in your mind, self-acquired property, joint and ancestral property cannot be included, and agriculture land is, probate is required, and for the authenticated document is concerned, two witnesses, draftsman is required, necessary for the purpose of register. And it can be registered, it cannot be registered. There is no difference at all. So registered means we can prove it is signed before the sub-registrar, and also the document is safer side, safer custody before the registrar. That will, his copy is available, and his thumb impression is available if you want to deny. We are denying today also. The registered document also we are denying, because you see the thumb impression may be signed for some other purpose, but not this document. His thumb impression is not correct. So likewise, any dispute, so many dispute is available. That dispute is concerned, while you are coming, several come across, but these ingredients you must made known to the party, and you must know about these signature, not ancestral property, only self-acquired property, two witnesses, draftsman, registered, unregistered, relating to agricultural land. You have to go probate by surrendering your original will, and then only you are going to get the probate on that. So therefore, these are the, and no condition is available. First and foremost thing is, condition should not be mentioned. Means today this will bequeathing the property, you should sell the property immediately during my lifetime. No, nothing is available. Such type of condition is not available, but bequeathing property with free of mind, and no condition shall be put. Condition is only to go the property to all the person, whether he may interest, it is self-acquired property. ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗೋ ದಾಸಪ್ಪನಿಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, ನಂದದು ನಾನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That is the word they everybody is going to use. So likewise, this is also under the will. Any doubt, please call me.
So you said anybody can make a will. So does the language have to be like a legal?
No problem, sir. Legal is not regarded, but he must say that I am the owner of the property purchased under registered sale deed. At least he must know whether it is a self-acquired property or not, whether I am having right over to property or not. He must know. That wordings is required, no?
So will no need to be registered, right, sir?
Need not be. Need not.
Okay.
Sir, any person want to make a general will for all of the properties and all of the savings in the accounts and everywhere, deposit everything on some persons, a nominee. So
Yes,
is it possible, sir?
sir. Nominee means any person can available, sir, for him who is going to look after him, who is going to discharge his expectation. And he must know whom he has executed. Because you see, tomorrow, what happened? The dispute should not be available between the parties. You see, tomorrow, if he is having 1 crore rupees in his account and somebody's name is appeared, so definitely it is disputable question, no, sir. What purpose he has executed? So this has to prove before court of law.
Sir, some person has 10 or 12 property,
Ah,
and he want to make a general will that all the property will go after my date to someone X. So is it possible to make such document?
yes, if it is self-acquired property, definitely he can do, sir. Whatever property he is having.
So he need not to make every properties will separately. He can do in one document.
One document only, even single document, he can bequeath the property to whom
And
he
that
is.
is required to register, sir, or not?
Need not be, sir. Hindu, if he is a Hindu, need not.
Okay, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, what happens in the context where the testator has died first and the legatee dies later on?
Sir, automatically, after death only the will, sir. This is first word.
No,
Whatever right he is bequeathing, only it is came into force after death, immediately after succumbed his life.
no, but the legatee also died later on.
No problem. His legal heirs, automatically they are eligible.
Okay.
Legatee died means if he has bequeathed his property during his lifetime, to whom it should go, automatically his legal heirs who legatee died, legal heirs can claim, yes, the property bequeathed and no other document if he has. What happens, sir? He can change several will. Last will, only the word will start. This is my last will. Bequeathing the property on such and such date. He will start the word, sir. That is the last will I am executing. So many will he may be executed during his lifetime. But which is last will is available. And just you think over several disputes I have come across. The 5 property he has shown in the first will. And about first will, he has forgotten the only 4 property he has mentioned, but that property automatically it is joint family property immediately on his death. So 1 property is available for division as per inheritance. So likewise, always so many will he can execute, but the last will is prevailed over all the other wills.
Okay. In follow-up question, sir. In one case, imagine if a testator and a legatee is there. The testator has made a will, the legatee died, and the testator dies later on. So in that context also it will go to the legal heirs.
Yes, sir, definitely. That is only to whom testator, the legatee dies prior to him. But no, he has not changed his words. He has not changed the will automatically, sir.
Okay. Okay. So it's nothing as such like the person should be existing when he makes a will.
Yes.
Sir, one ordinary person is not ex-serviceman or army or something. And can he make armed privilege will in presence of someone in their village?
No, sir. It is not. He cannot openly. He cannot tell, sir. That is his will and wish. Sir, will means ichche. Nanni ichche. I should not disclose. Why should I disclose? Because tomorrow, if I disclose, sir, what are the problems he has to face? He has to leave the house. If he has disclosed, this property goes to him, dispute automatically starts among them. Naniye nodtane. Why? When he is not look after us, why should I look to him when he has not provided this property? So that
just
dispute.
like last example you given, sir, last example. One person, ordinary person is dying, ordinary person is dying, and in the village mukhya or somebody, he told that all the property will I want to donate to this person or this trust, then is it acceptable?
No, no, sir. Because you see, under the gift deed, there must be acceptance. Under the will, only after his death, and before anybody else, if he wants to tell, because I am not having any person, and sir, automatically his brother or anybody can his ancestors relationship. Indian Succession Act is elaborately given chart. They can claim, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, you told a topic about Arshana Kunkma.
Ah,
Sir, if it can be done once or it can be done multiple times for a.
multiple time he can done because self-acquired property.
Okay.
Hmm.
But after, if it is an ancestor property, sir, if those are ancestor properties.
Sir, automatically ancestor property inheritance operates, succession operates.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Sir, in case of villages, some mukhya or some people belongs to the village make decisions. So is it equivalent decision in the law?
Sir, that village panchayat mukhyastha, if you are accepting, and that automatically that resolution must be there, because in writing, the will always, it must be in writing, and whatever he is saying, it should be incorporated under resolution. Mukhya means it must be in writing. If it is available, definitely in front of all of them, I being alone in the village, I am being some president of the village. Yes, my property I want to provide to the temple. I want to provide this property to the trust because it is a charitable trust. If it is incorporated by way of in writing, definitely it can be accepted, sir.
Okay, sir.
It is not a will, but it is donation. Just like donation, acknowledging by all the villagers.
Okay, sir.
And if see, in several villages, several disputes are available now. Once upon a time, he was a rich. He has provided some property to the temple, and remaining adjacent property he has not provided. And all the people, they are saying that this property is also attached to the temple, therefore it belongs to the temple. And who are the legal heirs or legatees? They can claim this property, saying that this property is by way of inherited, and whatever property he has given to the temple, we are not questioning. That maybe difference is available for them. Right is available for them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, you told one more point, sir. It's not need to be will not need to be registered.
Yes.
Is there any particular year, sir, before that?
No, sir. It is will under section 68, chapter 4 of Indian Succession Act. Need not be Hindu, need not be registered, sir.
Okay,
Now you
sir.
see,
Even now
person.
it can be. Even now it can be unregistered will.
Yes.
It works.
Oh, always,
Okay.
sir.
Sure, sir.
But we are being advocate, questioning the several wills under it has been executed suspicious circumstances. Therefore, you are not entitled or eligible for this property. It must be partitioned. Likewise, will is not binding, and it is forged will. His signature is not signed. Several cases are pending, sir.
Sir, now there is a same scenario. There is a registered will, but they left out a single property, but they have written a document, but it is unregistered. Is it acceptable, sir?
Sir, definitely when he has executed the registered document, some of the property, and whatever property has been left, no other document is available. Automatically it is inherited. and you have to establish, that's all.
Yes, got it, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Any ladies side, any question?
Sir, I have a question related to apartment.
Hmm.
If there is a share certificate in every apartment, which is signed, and there is a nominee for the share certificate also. So if will and share certificate are different, pointing to different person or beneficiaries,
Sir,
who will
share
be the
certificate, share certificate means it is not a exchangeable document, sir. It
Okay.
can be sold. It can be sold anytime.
Yes,
And
sir.
it does not mean that the shareholder right is available automatically. He can
Sir, there
bequeath
is
that
a
share.
yes, sir. There is a nomination form in the every society.
Nomination is
there is a-
concerned, I told you, there are several judgment I have placed last occasion. Those who have made the nomination under the account or the deposit, they have to effect the division after death of the, when he is availing money, after death, he shall be effect the division among the legal heirs of the nominee cannot entitle alone to grab the money.
Okay, sir.
Mm,
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir. Shall I go another topic? Agreement. I am waiting for you. Agreement, shall I go?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Please.
Sir, if you are not tired, please, sir.
No problem. I'm happy.
But sir, you're like answering all questions with all your zeal. That is very good, sir. And it gives us too much motivation to be in this class and having more lectures with you. But thank you so much, sir.
Then I think another time I will take that agreement and about that ingredients, all these things, I'll inform you on the next date of hearing. Today it is sufficient for you also because you have to go somewhere else. Please, thank you very much. Today my
Thank you, sir.
lecture
Thank you so much.
welcome, sir.
Very nice question, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And one information I want to give you, from getting lecturing, several people going to ask me, sir, when you are going to give another subject. Next day, definitely new subject I am going to. And new persons also wants to join for this because it is YouTube. Now publication is available in the YouTube. I think my lecture is reading by them also. Even judges ask me this particular lecture. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.